Hi, my name's Ben Emanuel. I'm here on Paddle, Georgia on the Flint River, 2013. Here just for one day. I wish we could be here longer, but it's great to be here for a day. I work for an organization called American Rivers. We're a national group, and there are just a couple of us in Atlanta. I've been on Paddle, Georgia twice before. I was on staff for 2 years for the Broad Savannah trip and the Oconee River trip. So it's nice to be able to drop in and come back. I also was on the Flint River 10 years ago this month with good friends, and so it's nice to be back on some stretches of the Flint. And the great thing about Paddle, Georgia is when you've done river trips in the past, you get to see how many more people get to come and experience those rivers. And it's great to see so many people out on the Flint today. I do a lot of work on the upper portion of the Flint through my work at American Rivers in partnership with Flint Riverkeeper. So it's always good to be out on the Flint, period, instead of sitting behind a desk working for the Flint. And I love Georgia River Network to death. It was a great experience to be on staff for a couple years, both for Paddle, Georgia and for everything that GRN does, from the advocacy to the outreach and the working with local groups. It was very valuable for me to work at Georgia River Network. And it's always fun to be on the river and good to be able to drop in on Paddle, Georgia.